Ano kaya ang magandang panoodin na Chinese drama this week? Kasi super hirap pantayan ng Pursuit of Jade. Kaya tinanong ko yung sister ko na super expert sa mga Chinese drama at binigyan niya ako ng top 6 highly recommended C-dramas na panunoodin mo after mo mapanood ang Pursuit of Jade. So, eto yung mga drama na palagay niya sobrang ganda at sobrang exciting. So number one on her list is How Dare You. Ang mga characters dito ay parehong transmigrator. At ang maganda dito sa C-drama na ito, meron siyang right amount of comedy, tragedy, angst, romance, at malakas talaga yung chemistry ng mga lead characters. Isa rin sa mga ganda dito yung OST nila at pag nakita mo pa lang yung trailer, mai-intrigue ka talaga at gusto mo talagang panuudin. At although meron siyang mga comedic episodes at nakakatawa siya, masusurprise ka kasi malalim pa rin yung kwento ng each character. Very complex at layered. So hindi mo alam if you will love or hate the characters. So this is wonderful for the actors like sila Cheng Le and Wang Churan. So they are a beautiful duo at makikita mo naman na visual fest talaga siya at very top-notch ang costume and styling. So, How Dare You? Ang number 2 naman is Glory with Neo, and this was released in 2025. So, this C-drama is about a young scholar who achieves top honors in the imperial examination and is appointed as the magistrate of Chunan County. So yung bida dito will solve a mysterious case but in the process, mai-entangle siya dito at mapapahamak siya. At dahil dito maaapektuhan yung reputation niya at masisira siya dito. And during this lowest point ng life niya, he will be rescued by Rong Shanbao, the daughter of a tea tycoon. So akala mo sa una, parang mysterious case or murder case yung story, but eventually it will unfold into this tea tycoon business na story, and together they will fall in love and reorganize the family business and expand the tea trade, while at the same time forging a legendary romance amid the tea plantation. So akala mo nung una stress ka sa mga murder mystery plots nila, yun pala, it's about building a powerful tea empire. And in the process, marami ka pang matututunan. Actually, yung kapatid ko nga, after niya mapanood yung drama, parang ang daming-dami niya ng alam tungkol sa mga tea, yung mga variants ng tea. At na-convince pa siyang uminom ng mga tsaa, you know. It's very aesthetically pleasing. At may matututunan ka pa sa business. So, on number 3 is Shine on Me. If big fan ka ng slow burn romantic dramas, then ma-enjoy mo ito. Actually, isa ito sa mga pinaka-strong suits ng mga Chinese drama because talagang they take the time na ma-unfold yung relationship ng mga characters. So this drama is a masterful example of how to develop a relationship that is healthy, realistic, and patient. Kumbaga, hindi ka masistress sa love story nila kasi merong respect sa isa't isa. Saka alam mo yon, may mga spicy chemistry sila pero at the same time may intelligent connection pa rin sila. So malalim yung pag-develop ng love story ng isa't isa but at the same time marirelax ka kasi slow paced lang siya. Actually yung iba iniisip nila baka boring yung mga first episodes niya kasi corporate drama siya saka parang ang tagal-tagal bago mangyari, but that is the whole point of this genre. Kumbaga ang fini-feature niya lang is yung mga slice of life, saka hindi siya toxic. Very natural and encouraging siya. So, kapag gusto mong mag-heal sa mga broken heart mo or gusto mong ma-inspire about building a healthy relationship na hindi ka masistress sa mga nag-aaway ng mga lovers or bida, then Shine on Me is something that you can consider. So yung number 4 na recommendation niya is The Princess Royal. So eto naman kapag namimiss mo ng sobra si Zhang Linghe from The Pursuit of Jade. Alam mo yung tipong namimiss mo siya and gusto mo siyang makita uli mag-act. So you have to try The Princess Royal. So ang plot naman dito, yung character na ipi-play niya is someone na who has undergone an arranged marriage. So to speak, si Li Rong and Pei Wen-xuan ay very unhappily married. At pagkatapos nun, after a few years, namatay sila pareho And then bigla silang bumalik in time and na-realize nila they are awakened and they are 18 years old uli. So it's a chance, kumbaga, actually hindi naman unique yung ganun na plot. We have already seen certain dramas kagaya nung 18 Again, pero may twist din naman talaga yung mga Chinese drama dito. So ang mangyayari dito, aabangan mo if it will be a chance for them to redeem their marriage or a chance for them to totally avoid marrying each other para hindi na nila masuffer uli. Kung ano yung loveless marriage nila dati, di ba? So, yon. And of course, plus na rin na nandun uli si Zhang Linghe. Ang number 5 naman na recommendation niya is Love You 7 Times. So, tungkol ito sa love story between the God of War and Fairy and their 7 lives together. Ang kulit ng story, di ba? So, kung gusto mo ng mga may magic and fairy, I think this is something that will really engage you. And of course, kung gusto mo ring maintindihan how complex minsan yung mga Chinese characters sa mga novels, this is one way to introduce yourself para lumalim ka sa C-drama. So, makikita mo dito na kung paano ba na-entangle yung mga gods and goddesses ng mga novels nila and how they will realize that their lives are intertwined with each other. So something lang para maiba lang. You have if you just want to explore something new when it comes to the C-drama. And yung number 6 na recommendation niya for last is Love Between the Lines. So, this is just a new drama released in 2026. And akala ko nga nung una yung bida is si Vic Chow ng F4 pero hindi pala. Like, may hawig lang talaga sila. So, kung gusto mong mag-relax from the historical and costume dramas na kinasanayan mong panuudin, this one naman is murder mystery role play with a mix of modern and mystery siya. So, it is definitely, sabi nga nila, an underrated show that is worth checking out. Hindi siya masyado na pag-usapan. Pero nung napanood talaga siya ng mga kapatid ko, she can attest na maganda talaga siya. It's a good watch. So, I hope that you can try to explore and a lot of these shows can be found in iQIYI and ano pa ba yung isa? View? VIU? View? ha? Yuzu daw. So, mapapanood mo siya din sa Yuzu and then hopefully no lalabas din siya sa Netflix. I don't know, maybe mapapanood din siya dito. So, thank you so much at I hope na ma-check out nyo tong mga drama. And may pahabol din pala na isa pa, which is Love in the Cloud. So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa mga recommendations nyo for this month kung ano yung mga dapat yung panoodin. Lalong-lalo na yung mga sobrang magaling manood talaga ng mga drama at tinatapos lang nila ang 40 episodes in one sitting. So, tandaan, How Dare You, Glory with Neo 2025, Shine on Me, The Princess Royal, Love You 7 Times, Love Between the Lines, and Love in the Clouds. Thank you, God bless, and remember, Jesus Christ loves you.